Focus. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps, and today I'll be showing you my leg workout, my leg day workout. I do push-pull legs routine, so this is my leg workout. I haven't done a push-pull tutorial yet, but they should be coming, well, not tutorial, example video, because I'm not exactly giving you a tutorial on how I do my workout, just like showing you what I do on those days. I filmed this a week or so ago, and yeah, I'm recording this intro separately. So when I got to the gym as well, my camera, I realised I'd forgotten my SD card. Yeah, I know, stupid mistake. I should know by now that I need to check for that, but I went really late at night and I forgot it, so I had to film on my phone. So sorry the quality isn't as good, but you're not really here for the quality, are you? You're here for the leg workout. So I'm going to do a voiceover over the leg workout, and you guys can see what I do. Give me tips on my form if I need tips on my form, if my form isn't good, or if you have any suggestions to how I can improve this program, then feel free to comment them down below, as I'd really appreciate any input into how I can improve. So yeah, if you have any input on how I can improve my form or my training program, any extra exercises that I could add in, or how I could structure it, let me know down in the comments. Also let me know about video quality, and if you want to see a push-pull tutorial, then I can do them as well. And yeah, I'm going to do a voiceover over the workout. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in a bit. So the first exercise of my leg day workout is barbell squats, probably the most important exercise in my workout, I'd say. I start off with either warming up by doing some normal bodyweight squats, or just with the barbell on my back to get used to the movement, whichever I feel like. And then I jump in with like a lighter set at 45 kg, and I gradually work up. I do like pyramid sets, so I work up the weight and see if I can do 10 reps of each weight until I get to a heavy weight, or heavy for me at least. So I get to a max of 75 kilograms here, and then if I feel like I'm not going to make 10 reps of it, I'll drop it off at like 8 reps or whatever, so I'll get to whatever is the max I can do for staying in the hypertrophy range, so at least 7 reps minimum, I'd say. And then I gradually, well, I do a couple of sets of that heavy weight, and then I gradually bring it back down to about 40 kilos again at the end before going on to the next exercise. The next exercise of my leg workout is barbell calf raises. I know some people don't train calves, but I like to train calves because I feel like it will look weird if you don't train calves but you train your thighs a lot, so I train my calves as well. With barbell calf raises, sometimes I use the machine instead, or as well as, because like there's calf raise machine at the gyms I go to, so I can use them if I want to, but I prefer to do it with a barbell because it feels a bit more natural to me and it fits in nicely after my squats. So I have barbell calf raises, same thing again, doing pyramid sets, working my weight up, doing a couple sets at a heavy weight, and then dropping it back down again. The next exercise is angled leg press. I can sometimes replace this with normal leg presses or hack squats as well, but in this occasion I was doing angled leg press, and I wouldn't have done as high a weight on angled leg press as I could do because I always do them after my squats, therefore I've already fatigued a little bit. But also don't forget I'm filming this at about midnight, so I'm exhausted as it is doing this leg workout, and the leg workouts are the hardest out of my push-pull leg routine anyway, so I'm already fatigued from doing it at the end of the day, and this is straight after squats and calf raises. So angled leg press, not going the heaviest I would be able to have had I done it first in the workout. However, I do work my weight up like pyramid sets again, because that's what I seem to do for every single exercise in my entire workouts. I do pyramid sets on pretty much everything. I work my weight up, but not to the heaviest, which I could do normally. Bear in mind that even without plates, the machine weighs a little bit anyway, so even though it might only be a certain amount of plates, you've still got to add the weight of the machine as well. For the last of the leg exercises on this occasion, we have leg extensions. Now, I was very fatigued at this point, so I just did 3 sets of very lightweight. When I say very lightweight, I don't mean like extremely light, but like challenging, but nowhere near what my squat would be, because obviously I was fatigued and this was going to be my last exercise training my quads. I sometimes also train hamstrings with prone leg curls, however, on this occasion I just didn't. I don't have much of a reason, I just didn't. I think I ran out of time and wanted to get in some abs at the end. I can't remember, I recorded this 2 weeks ago, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, yeah, leg extensions just to fatigue my legs that last bit before I can't do anything else with my quads. Just that little extra bit to push me over the line with fatigue. So yeah, 3 sets of leg extensions, very lightweight. Next we have sit-ups. I like to train my abs and my core on the same day as I train my lower body, especially if I haven't trained them on another day as well. I tend to sometimes train them on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so I get 3 sessions in of my core, whereas all my other workouts like my push-pull legs, I only do them twice a week. So sometimes I train my core Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but on this occasion I was just doing them on my leg day, so I think they fit better on my leg day anyway for a video. So we have some sit-ups here. I always do these on one of these decline benches, so it gives me a greater range of motion. So I do 1 set of body weight sit-ups, and then I do 2 sets with a 12kg kettlebell.
Yeah, every single one. So this is not for na-na. Promise to say oh na-na-na. Have all bad days oh na-na-na. I'm hard to love oh na-na-na. God knows I need you oh na-na-na. And when push comes to shove, forever is never enough. When I'm with you and don't fall apart, you make me feel like I have a higher. Beauty is my kryptonite. I don't wanna go another night. And when push comes to shove, forever is never enough. So this is my phone,
Next up is oblique crunches, so I have 3 sets on either side. You can tell when I'm going on to a new set because I have that kind of push transition which I've edited in. So yeah, I do 10 on my right side, 10 on my left side, oblique crunches, trying to target the side of the abs rather than the six-packy kind of area, because I feel like that's what I need to work on more. Oblique crunches, 3 sets of 10 on each side.
It's my kryptonite, and I don't want to go. Promise to say you na-na-na. We have our bad-days oh na-na-na. I'm hard to love oh na-na-na. I never thought I'd find someone. God knows I need you oh na-na-na. And when push comes to shove, forever is never enough. When I'm with you I don't fall apart. You make me feel like I have a higher. Beauty is my kryptonite. tonight. I don't wanna go another night. When push comes to shove, forever is never enough. They put us together, don't let them tear us apart. We've gone through life, we've got it hard, and we just need one restart. Just tell me you love me, tell me you love me. Forever is never enough. Just tell me you love me, tell me you love me. Forever never enough. So this is my phone, nah, 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 phone, nah, 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 phone, nah.
And then lastly, to finish off, I have a 1 minute plank. Bear in mind this is sped up, that's why it's not going to last an entire minute, but 1 minute plank, just trying to hit the entirety of the core one last time after the 2 previous exercises, and then I'll be done for my leg day workout. All done at the gym now. It's like 1:15 midnight. I'm dying, my legs ache so much. I wish I could have done more weight and more sets on the leg extensions because I haven't done them in a while, but nope, by that point from the leg presses, the squats and the calf raises, my legs were dead, so I just went really lightweight just for 3 sets. Intended to do the first lightweight set as my warm-up set, but ended up being one of my 3 sets because I really couldn't do any more at that point. Sorry it's grainy, I know it's dark and I forgot my camera. I'm so annoyed about that, but yeah. That's it for today's video. That's my leg workout. And I guess it'll be back to Ben sitting in his bedroom with a proper professional setup, actually thought out to do the outro. I'm dying, need to get home, have a protein shake, get to bed. See ya. So thank you for watching everybody. If you have enjoyed, remember to leave it a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications if you haven't already. Again, let me know if you want to see the push-pull workout as well as the legs, which obviously I've done today. If so, then I'll get down the gym soon. Maybe I could do it at a different gym as well and take in my camera and stuff, get somebody to film for me. We'll see what I come up with. Anyway, like the video, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.